Tesla just dropped a game-changing leak. And it's something fans have been waiting for years. A fully electric Tesla for just $25,000. It's not a rumor anymore. Leaked documents, Giga Mexico blueprints, and expert predictions all point to the same conclusion. Tesla is preparing to launch its most affordable vehicle yet. And it's called the Model 2. But what exactly is the Model 2? How close is it to production? And how does Tesla plan to make an EV this cheap, without compromising performance? Let's break it all down. The Model 2, also known internally as Project Redwood, has been in the works for years. Recently, 3 key clues emerged. 1. Factory documents filed in Mexico referencing a compact EV platform. 2. Leaked supplier specs showing smaller chassis designs. And 3. Insider reports confirming that Tesla's engineers are developing a new low-cost architecture. While Elon Musk hasn't officially confirmed the name Model 2, he has hinted at a smaller vehicle being Tesla's next move. Sources like Electrek and Reuters say we could see a reveal as early as late 2025, with production starting by mid-2026. Why does this price point matter so much? Because it could finally make Tesla accessible to the average driver. Right now, the average US car costs nearly $48,000. And most EVs, even more. Tesla entering the $25,000 space would disrupt the entire low-end market. It would target buyers of the Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, and every entry-level gas car out there. More importantly, it would massively increase Tesla's reach. First-time buyers, students, young professionals, Uber and Lyft drivers. At this price, Tesla could double or triple its annual deliveries. So how do you build a premium EV for just $25,000? 3 words: manufacturing, batteries, simplicity. First, the unbox process. Revealed at Tesla's Investor Day, this approach builds car sections in parallel, then snaps them together like Lego. It's faster, cheaper, and requires far less factory space. Second, Tesla's new 4680 structural battery pack. It doubles as both the energy source and part of the car frame, reducing weight and complexity. And third, fewer parts. Tesla already reduced parts in the Model Y by 75%. The Model 2 will go even further. That means faster builds, fewer supply chain issues, and huge cost savings. Combine all that with cheap labor in Mexico and potential EV tax credits. And now $25,000 isn't just possible, it's probable. So what will it look like? Leaked renders suggest a compact hatchback. Think VW Golf or Honda Fit. It'll be smaller than a Model 3, but with Tesla's signature minimalism. Expected features include a single rear-wheel drive motor, 250 to 300 miles of range, 0 to 60 in under 6.5 seconds. LFP batteries that can be charged to 100% daily. And full access to Tesla's supercharger network. Inside, expect a center screen, no traditional instrument cluster, and app-based control for almost everything. Possibly even a yoke-style steering wheel. This isn't just a US car. The Model 2 is built for the world. Tesla plans to sell it in India, Southeast Asia, Latin America, and all across Europe. In some of these markets, this will be the first Tesla that regular people can actually afford. Localization will be key. Tesla may build different versions regionally using local parts to reduce taxes and shipping costs. So what does this mean for Tesla? It's their chance to enter the mass market for real. More vehicles on the road means more people using superchargers, more drivers upgrading to full self-driving, more subscriptions, data, insurance revenue, and app usage. Tesla's true profit isn't just in the car, it's in the ecosystem. The Model 2 could be the entry point for millions. Of course, it won't be easy. Challenges include Giga Mexico construction delays, battery material shortages, pressure from Chinese EV makers like BYD and XPeng, and rising global competition. And Tesla has a habit of overpromising on timelines. We've seen this before with the Cybertruck, Roadster, and even FSD. If they miss the 2025-2026 window, others could beat them to it. But if they hit it, Tesla may dominate every segment, not just premium. So here's the bottom line. The Tesla Model 2 isn't just a cheaper car. It's a bold bet on scalability, on sustainable energy, and on making EVs truly mainstream. Would you buy a $25,000 Tesla with 300 miles of range? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more updates like this, subscribe. We cover Tesla leaks, rumors, product breakdowns, and more every week. We'll see you in the next one.